Hello friends, I am Nikhil Chorsia. Welcome to my new video. Now today my topic is types of air compressor used in cement plant. These types are further specified by the number of compression stages, cooling methods, air, water, drive method, motor, engine, steam, other, lubrication, oil or oil free, packaged or custom built. Classification of compressor. पॉजिटिव डिस्प्लेसमेंट, डायनेमिक. पॉजिटिव डिस्प्लेसमेंट में दो प्रकार होते हैं, रेसिप्रोकेटिंग, रोटरी. रेसिप्रोकेटिंग सिंगल एक्टिंग, डबल एक्टिंग, डायफ्राम. रोटरी में लोब, स्क्रू, पैन, लिक्विड रिंग. सेंट्रीफ्यूगल, एक्सियल. What is compressor? Compressor is a device that pressurizes the working fluid. One of basic aim of compressor is to compress the fluid and deliver it to pressure which is higher than its original pressure. Basic types of air compressors. The three basic types of air compressors are reciprocating, rotary skew, rotary centrifugal. Number first, reciprocating compressors. Reciprocating air compressors are positive displacement machines, meaning that they increase the pressure of the air by reducing its volume. This means they are taking in successive volumes of air which is confined within a closed space and elevating this air to a higher pressure. The reciprocating air compressors accomplishes this by a piston within a cylinder as the compressing and displacing element. The reciprocating air compressor is single acting when the compressing is accomplished using only one side of the piston. A compressor using both sides of the piston is considered double acting. Rotary screw compressors. Rotary air compressors are positive displacement compressors. The most common rotary air compressor is the single stage helical or spherical low oil fluid screw air compressor. These compressors consist of two rotors within a casing where the rotors compress the air internally. There are no valves. These units are basically oil cooled with air cooled or water cooled oil coolers where the oil seals the internal clearances. Since the cooling takes place right inside the compressor, the working parts never experience extreme operating temperature. The rotary compressors therefore is continuous duty air cooled or water cooled compressors package. Rotary screw air compressors are easy to maintain and operate. Capacity control for these compressors is accomplished by variable speed and variable compressor displacement. Centrifugal compressors. The centrifugal air compressor is dynamic compressor which depends on transfer of energy from a rotating impeller to the air. Centrifugal compressors produce high pressure discharge by converting angular momentum imported by the rotating impeller dynamic displacement. In order to do this efficiency, centrifugal compressors rotate at higher speed than the other types of compressors. These types of compressors are also designed for higher capacity because flow through the compressors is continuous. Adjusting the inlet guide vanes in the most common methods to control capacity of a centrifugal compressors. By closing the guide vanes, volumetric flow and capacity are reduced. The centrifugal air compressors is an oil-free compressors by design. The oil-lubricated running gear is separated from the air shaft seals and atmospheric vents. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.